What's going on, guys? Welcome to another lesson. So in this one, I want to talk about Python syntax real quick, and also I want to give you a very useful resource that I created, which I personally use to this day. So syntax is essentially the grammar of the Python programming language, or really any programming language. It's basically, how you put anything together, like, the way you're supposed to put certain things together to make sense of it. For example, again, if you actually Google Python syntax, we can actually see it. Take a look. Set of rules that defines how Python program will be written and interpreted. Basically, it's the grammar of the language. And what I have for you is I got the cheat sheet that I personally use when I'm writing my own programs. So you can download it in the resource section. And what we're gonna do right now, if you actually take a look at this cheat sheet, it's going to be, pretty confusing. You're probably not going to know any of these things, and it's completely fine. So what I recommend is just have this open as you go throughout the videos and lessons of this course, and you're going to understand and learn it, right? But my point, the reason I actually made this for you guys is that you can come back to it and remember stuff, because as I said, if you remember, I mentioned that learning a programming language is literally like learning an actual speaking language. And you're gonna learn a lot of words and like rules and stuff like that, but you're not gonna remember all of them. So the point is, when you actually want to use it, you can come back to this cheat sheet and remember it real quick and just put it to use very quickly. So that's why I actually built this for you guys, and you can download it in a resource section. It's a very useful resource. As I said, to this day I go back to this once in a while and take a look at some of this stuff here. So definitely something to download for yourself. You can print it if you want, if you really want to make it accessible for yourself, but definitely take a look at it. And we're gonna, talk as we go throughout the course. We're gonna talk about more like syntax and all that stuff. You're gonna see it more in action, and you're gonna start understanding it. Because right now, none of this really makes sense if you're not familiar with the programming. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go through this. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any issues downloading this. If not, I'll see you in the next video, guys.